Hey dolls, so I'm coming to do this quick, easy, kind of messy, simple headband wig tutorial. It's half up, half down. I don't have any of my hair left out. I didn't have to use a bundle of hair or anything like that. Sorry, I'm not dressed. I'm still in my robe. I have to put my clothes on, but I just wanted to do the intro for y'all. So this hair is from Donmily. So this is the box. And the hair came in this bag, and it is a 26-inch. I'm not sure of the exact curl pattern, but I will list it down below or put it on the screen. Also in the box, I got 2 different headbands and also some wig caps. I ended up not even using a wig cap for this headband wig. I usually do like to use them, but I didn't use it this time. So basically all I did was well, y'all will see that in the video. I don't need to tell you all of that here, but it came out real cute. It came out super cute, and it was really fast and easy to do. I just did some baby hairs, and it's a half up, half down. Basically, for the half up, half down, I used the hair from the headband wig in the ponytail. I didn't use a bundle of hair, so this will work. You know, if you have various headband wigs, you can do this. I feel like it'll probably be easier with curly hair or some type of straight hair if you put curls in it, but you probably could also do a straight hair wig like this. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this is how my hair looks. It needs to be washed, so don't mind any flakes or anything like that. I just didn't want to wash it, do this style, and have to wash it again to remove all of the product and everything like that. So I'm just starting off by sectioning off my hair. I put the back section in a ponytail. I'm just wetting my hair down to make it easier to mold into the ponytail. And don't mind my edges. As y'all know, I did have some breakage or postpartum hair loss. It is growing back in nicely, and it's not as thin as I have seen some people's get. So I'm not complaining or anything like that, but don't come for me and my edges because they usually are fuller than this. So I'm working on getting them back to how they normally are. So I'm just going to do some quick baby hairs real quick. I kind of left in some of the clips so you can kind of see how I did it. And I did use my Kiss Edge Fixer and also some gel to do this with. And I left the center part going back, kind of like how I like to do my wigs usually. But you could do your baby hairs however you want. So I'm going to take a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is from Cantu. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my hair where it's going to be going up into the ponytail just to moisturize my hair. And like I said, my hair did need to be washed, but everything still molded into place and looked really sleek and good, although it was time for a wash. So I'm just going to brush my ponytail into place, and then I'm going to grab a hair tie and go ahead and tie the hair off into place. So really easy. This will also work really well if your hair is freshly washed because it'll probably be even more polished and easier to do. I did have to do a little bit more manipulation to get it to look good, but it still worked out fine. So I'm just going back in and fixing the baby hairs because every time after I do a ponytail, it kind of messes up the baby hairs. So after I fix that, now we're going to go on to the wig. So this is how it looks. You have 3 combs at the top and 1 in the back, as well as an adjustable strap and the elastic band that velcros as well. So I'm just going to cut that off because it was going to show for this style. You can try to tuck it under if you don't want to cut yours off, but I just found it to be easier and look better by cutting it off because I tried it without cutting it off and I didn't like it. So I just cut that band off. So basically it's like a half wig, but I could still use it for a headband wig or various different styles. This just kind of gives you more options when you cut the band off. So I'm just going to pull some hair up from the middle section of the headband wig, and this is what is going to go up into my ponytail. So you can section it however you want. I wouldn't go all the way across, more so just in the center. And then I'm also going to pull a little more hair up from that middle part and pull that up into the ponytail as well, just to make sure that my ponytail is full enough, because you do want to have enough hair that it's going to cover up any tracks or anything in the back. And this is gonna work out fine without having to use any, you know, additional tracks or anything for the ponytail section. So I'm just gonna take another hair tie and tie that hair into my ponytail that I have already made, and I'm kind of pulling the band down and pulling it over the band that I have already put around my first ponytail. So just combining the two ponytails together, if you will. And then once you get that all tied off, then we are going to have to conceal the band and make the ponytail look nice and blended and everything like that. Now, I didn't have to worry about blending my hair in. I didn't wet my hair down or try to blend it in or anything like that. I'm basically just going to hide my hair, if you will. So I'm just going to take my section of hair, and what I'm going to do with it is just do it into a twist. You could do a braid or whatever you want to do that works best for you. A twist was just really fast and easy, and it worked out fine. It did give me a little bit more of, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it made the band even bigger kinda, and just gave me a little bit more volume in my ponytail. You will see at the end, or you probably already seen at the beginning. So I'm just gonna wrap this around, and if you want to have this kind of look, you can leave it as a twisted band, or if you want to braid it or whatever, like I said, you can do that as well and have that to be your band if you want it to be a little bit more jazzed up. But I did want to wrap some hair around to smooth it into place so that it would look like the rest of the hair. So I'm going to pull some more hair out from the actual headband wig, and I'm just going to wrap that around my little twisted piece that I have made, being sure to kind of smooth it out and make sure that it is covering it up completely. After I was done, you couldn't see my hair at all underneath, or that it was twisted or anything like that. It's just going to be a more voluminous, thicker band, if you will. So after I've wrapped it around, I'm going to grab another hairpin and just secure that into place. And that little extra hair will just hang down over the headband wig, which you will not see anyways because the ponytail is covering it. Then you just want to play around and get the ponytail centered and make sure that the hair is fluffed out and going how you want it to go. So really simple and easy. And the ponytail is nice and full. Like, you can't even tell that I pulled the hair from the back because you can't see the back area anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So this is an easy way to do a half up, half down with a headband wig. And this curl pattern is really pretty. Like, look in the back. You can't see anything at all. So super cute. And I kept this in for several days like this. So yeah. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look of the hair. It came out super cute. I didn't even wet the hair down or anything. I'm just rocking it in its natural state, fresh out of the pack. But yeah, it turned out super cute. So definitely check out this headband wig or any other items from this company. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.